Hi everyone, today we will be exploring the concept of the Pythagorean Theorem. And its application in mathematics. Firstly, to apply the Pythagorean Theorem, there must be a triangle to use it on. This means it needs to have three sides, in which one side is the hypotenuse, being the longest side. In this case, right here. On top of this, the Pythagorean theorem only works for right-angled triangles. Its main use is to find a missing side when you are given at least two sides on the triangle. This is done by the formula application of a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now we'll label the shorter sides a and b, that does not matter. But the order for c does matter, it must always be the hypotenuse. What this formula means is when you square and add the two smaller sides up, you get the square of the biggest side, which must always be represented as the variable c in the formula. Then by simply applying a square root on the hypotenuse for this example, you will get the longest side by taking the positive case of the square root. This is because the negative case can be ignored, as sides are dimensions and therefore they cannot be negative. This formula can also be rearranged to find any side of a triangle as long as you have two sides of either A, B or C. So for example, this formula can be rearranged to find a shorter side by doing C squared minus B squared. It's minus B squared because you take this over by minusing it across equals a squared. So that's another form of this standard formula for the Pythagoras' theorem. Let's now put this theory into a practice example. So in this example, we have to find the missing side of the following triangle. In this problem, we can first identify the missing side is the hypotenuse, as it is the longest side. Now we apply the formula of the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c would be our missing side as it is a hypotenuse. Next, subbing in sides a and b into the formula, so a could be 3 and b could be 4, because for a and b the shorter side is the order does not matter. So if we sub in 3 and if we sub in 4 into the formula, we get 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. This simplifies down to 25, which equals c squared. Now we take the square root of 25 and the positive case. Therefore, we find our missing side to be positive 5 units, which is the answer. Make sure to also give units as it is a dimension. I hope you have gained knowledge about the Pythagorean theorem and how it is applied in mathematics. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.